Hi, and welcome to Sweet English Stories. I'm happy to see you here again. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a like. It helps this little channel grow. You can support me using the link in the profile if you want. So, let's start the story. Hello, my name is Sophia, and today I want to share a simple story about how 5 minutes changed my life. For a long time, I wanted to start running. I loved the idea of feeling strong and free, but I always waited for the perfect moment. The perfect day, the perfect mood, the perfect confidence. And of course, that moment never came. One quiet morning, I woke up and felt tired of waiting. I looked at my running shoes and told myself, just 5 minutes. Only 5. My heart was loud, and my hands were a little cold. I was scared to look silly, scared someone would laugh, scared I would fail, but I opened the door and stepped outside. I started running slowly and almost walking, but I was moving. The first minute felt long. My legs were heavy, and I wanted to stop many times, but I continued, tree by tree, corner by corner, choosing tiny goals. I noticed simple things around me. A dog happily chasing a ball, the smell of fresh bread from a bakery, a woman watering flowers on her balcony, a cyclist smiling as he passed. Nobody looked at me. Nobody judged me. Life was busy living its own life. When 5 minutes passed, my face was red, and my breathing was loud, but inside I felt something new. Light. Alive. Proud. The next days were not perfect. Some mornings were cold. Some days my legs hurt. And sometimes I wanted to give up. Once I almost stayed home. Then I saw an old man walking fast with a peaceful smile. He nodded to me, as if he understood my small, quiet battle. And somehow, that helped me continue. Another day, I saw a mother teaching her child to run. The child fell, stood up again, and the mother said gently, "You are learning. That is great." Those words stayed in my heart. One morning, instead of running, I walked to a new neighborhood and found a small coffee shop. The barista smiled and told someone, "Trying new things is brave." I needed those words too. Little by little, running began to feel normal. Not easy, not perfect, but a natural, calm part of my day. I started to sleep better, smile more, and feel stronger inside. All from 5 minutes. I realized I didn't need a perfect plan or perfect confidence. I only needed a small start. 5 minutes can open a new door. 5 minutes can change tomorrow. 5 minutes can change you. Thank you for listening to my story. Take your small step today. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.